Tomas and I are here at the kitchen at Second Harvest Food Bank in Spokane. We're joined by Laurent Zarate. He's the chef and owner of Fleur de Sel Restaurant and Creperie, and we are the taste tester.
I know, what a tough job.
Somebody's got to do it.
That's right. So all the recipes that you, the viewer, sent to us, we appreciate it, and we get to taste test some of your recipes, or both. And the recipe today has to do with spinach.
Ooh, spinach.
So who here loves spinach?
Well, I used to hate it because I grew up with canned spinach. Did you?
Exactly.
And there's nothing worse than canned spinach.
Same.
Until I ate fresh spinach.
And then a whole new world opens up
It's
for
a
you.
different ballpark, you know?
And I'm sure that there's some things you can do with canned spinach, and we're glad that it's out there, right? Because otherwise we wouldn't have those memories as kids. Because my memory as a kid is canned spinach with vinegar on top. Right?
Interesting. Glad I didn't live with her.
But I love fresh spinach, and it is also, it's the one thing that I love to make in salads that my kids will actually eat. You know, they don't mind the spinach. It has a nice
baby leaf
subtle
spinach.
flavor.
Good, exactly.
And
It's good for you.
It can go in all sorts of things. Smoothies, tacos, sandwiches, burgers, you name it.
Yeah,
I love that, yes.
And today's a quiche. We have a quiche.
We're doing a quiche. So our quiche today is called Christmas Morning Quiche, okay? And it's from Mary Lou. So thank you, Mary Lou. And she says that they like to do this on Christmas morning.
I love Christmas morning.
Any morning a quiche is good, right?
Christmas morning is perfect.
Yeah.
Even better with a quiche.
I know.
Yes, and so this has a little ham, some cheese, and
Sounds like a
yeah,
quiche.
it's good stuff.
Good.
So we're gonna see how it's made first, and then we get to taste it.
All right.
Ho ho!
Tis the season. Tis the season.
Are we opening
Really
gifts
good.
yet?
Yes. Look at how beautiful the spinach looks in
I
this
know,
quiche
that's
too.
so green, so beautiful.
It is
With
beautiful.
the dice ham. Oh.
That's really
That
good.
does not remind me of canned spinach at all. It's so much better.
No.
It's so delicate. The
Really good.
smokiness of the ham is great.
A great way to start your morning.
Those eggs are nice
Beautiful.
and smooth.
Yeah.
And, no, this is really nice.
Yeah, Christmas morning. Mimosa? Anyone?
I like that idea.
That's a good way to get your spinach too. Look at that.
It is, yeah. And like you said,
Fantastic.
you can use spinach in a lot of different things.
Yeah.
But quiche Lorraine, is that what you?
Quiche
in French?
Lorraine, yeah.
Quiche.
Bacon, cheese. That's the traditional, but anything
Right,
in a quiche.
anything goes with quiche,
in a
right?
quiche.
Pretty much.
A little cheese. Here with lots of spinach.
Lots of spinach. Good
It's
job,
delicious.
Mary Lou.
Thank you, Mary Lou.
Yeah.
Mary Lou, thank you.
To get Mary Lou's recipe for Christmas morning quiche, visit wagrown.com.